But first, today's video is brought to you by PowerColor and their Red Devil RX 5700 XT graphics card. The Red Devil 5700 XT features a 10-phase VRM, which is more than the 7-phase VRM found on the reference 5700 XT, as well as most other partner cards out there. The Red Devil also offers a triple fan heatsink, which promises to not only keep your card cooler than the reference design, but also significantly quieter. For more information on where you can pick up the Red Devil 5700 XT, as well as my full review, please check out the links down in the description below. Hey, what's up guys, Joker here, and today I just want to bring you a very quick guide on how to cancel your Uplay Plus subscription, as this was not immediately apparent to me. It took me a few minutes of looking around to actually figure out how to do this, because you seemingly can't do it at all through the actual Uplay application here at the desktop on the PC. So I thought this video might be of value for some people. You might be trying to figure out how to cancel your subscription, and you just might want a quick guide in order to learn how to do this. So I'm going to show you quickly here over on Uplay. As you can see, there's really no way to cancel it. Even if you go to the Uplay Plus tab, there's nothing in here. You can basically just look at games, and even if you go into the settings, there's really nothing in here that you can actually do with it. It's not under the other tab or anything like that, or under general. There is no way at all through the app to actually be able to go ahead and cancel your Uplay Plus subscription. So I need to do that today, so I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to want to come over to the Ubisoft website, which you can find at store.ubi.com, which I will leave a link to down in the description below, so you can quickly go ahead and get over there. Once you're on the website, you do want to make sure that you are signed in, which you can do by clicking the little profile icon up here in the top right corner. So if you are signed in, you're just going to hover over that and then come down to My Subscription. So yes, you do actually have to physically do this through the website, and I'm going to be covering up some of my information here on the screen for obvious reasons. It shows your PayPal account, your home address, and everything like that on this screen. So I wanted to cover that, but you could see that my subscription is next going to be renewed on November 1st, 2019. I had the free 1-month subscription, and I kept it for 1 extra day because I wanted to try Ghost Recon Breakpoint, which I'm sure was intentional by them for obvious reasons. But since Breakpoint is a complete and utter shit show, and yeah, Watch Dogs isn't coming out until March 2020, I really have no reason to keep this subscription going until basically March, when Watch Dogs comes out. So if you want to cancel it, you basically just have to click cancel membership in here, but you're not done right there when you click that. So this is the kind of reason I wanted to make this video, because it's very, very small, subtle text. As you can see, after you click on it, you can see it says, "We are sorry to see you go. To cancel your subscription, click here," which is like very small, gray text, which you might just look over. You might just think that it was canceled right then and there, but that is not the case. You have to click on this in order to be able to complete the cancellation. And then it comes down to the bottom, and then yet again, do you still want to cancel? Yes, cancel my goddamn subscription. I clicked it now 3 times. Cancellation confirmed, but obviously it's still going to be active until November 1st, so I've got another almost 30 days on it, which I really don't need it, honestly. I don't know, Breakpoint was not good. That's really the main reason I'm canceling this. But I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Hopefully this video was informative to anyone out there that wanted to cancel their Uplay Plus subscription and wasn't really too sure how to do it. And also, even if you could find it, just to make sure that you did it completely, because you have to click through another few more things to get through it. The first one that they have you go through is like very, very subtle and hidden. You might not even think to look for it after you've already clicked cancel on your subscription. So I'm going to go now. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, don't forget to leave a thumbs up on it, subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you all tomorrow for another video.